is how to generate scannable QR code with AI. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first of all, you need to open your Chrome browser. Once it is open, then here in the search bar, you need to search for quick QR art. After that, you need to open this first website. After opening this, here you will see two options, join beta now or try on web. So here we will click on try on web. Once it is open, then here you can see different QR codes in community feed. And if you want to create the QR code like this, then what you need to do is to click on the generate option here. After opening it, first of all, what you need is the destination link of your website. So what will we do is to open a new tab and here search for our website. Now copy the link of your website and go back and paste it here. After that, here you need to enter your prompt like this. Now from QR pattern, you can select any pattern that you want. After selecting your desired pattern, then what you need to do is to scroll down and here click on generate. When you will click on it, then it will start to create your QR art. Wait for a while until it is generated. So now here your QR code is generated. So this was how to generate scannable QR code with AI. If you like this video, please feel free to share it and subscribe.